Hello everyone and welcome back to the vlog. I am just going to pack two separate makeup bags. Hear me out. I know you're probably like, what? Why two? I have one for being at home and then one I want to leave in my boyfriend's house. But you know the way, like, I don't know, you have your like set favorite things, and that if they're not in your makeup bag, or if you're like me and you just have an awful lot of makeup products, that if they're not in your makeup bag you're like, oh no, I wish I brought that with me. Particularly foundation, because I have a lot of foundations and some days I like a light coverage, some days I like a heavy coverage. Anyway, totally getting sidetracked in this. So what I was going to do is I was going to do two makeup bags so you can watch what I'm doing if you like. The only issue is one of my makeup bags has burst. It's my favourite makeup bag. I've had it since I was probably about 19. I've had it forever. I got it in H&M and it's a Hello Kitty bag and I love it. I don't even like Hello Kitty, but I just love, not that I don't like Hello Kitty, if you know what I mean, like I'm not a collector or anything like that. I just really like the shape, the size of this makeup bag. And then I have a makeup bag from Inglot. If I'm getting ready with my boyfriend's to go out, I have to bring all my makeup with me. It's just a bit of a hindrance, so I'd rather just have a makeup bag over there. So that is why I have two makeup bags. Completely long story, long-winded. You don't care. Do you want to see what I'm going to put in the makeup bags? Of course you do. That's what you're here for. So I emptied everything out of this makeup bag. You can see the makeup bag here. It's seen better days. And I'm just going to take a wipe and just wipe down all the makeup. You know the way sometimes if it's been sitting in a bag for a little while, although it's relatively clean, I guess. These sponges definitely all need to be washed intensively, so I'm going to leave them aside. Obviously I wash them every time I use them, but I've just been kind of like rolling around in a makeup bag. I found a pen randomly in there and tweezers. I don't know, that pen is so old. I feel like that was from like my old job as well. Eyelashes that I clearly stuck onto a mascara bottle and just left them there. That mascara is so good as well, and that's the dried up brush ink liner that is still in here. I don't know if I told you guys about it, that this is like my favorite liner ever, but I left the lid off it and it dried up there about 2 weeks ago and I threw it back into the bag. I think I just kept it in there just in case I wanted to purchase it somewhere and I needed to know the name of it. I don't know why I kept it, but anyway, that's to go in the bin. I also want to throw out that Lashes to Kill. That's an old mascara, so those two are done. And then I'll go through whatever else I have in here, what I want to keep. One thing I do need to purchase is a new concealer. I hate all of my concealers that I have at the moment, except for this one, which is almost all out. That's my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's nearly all out, but I'm hating the concealers. I have the e.l.f. one. I love the consistency of it. The shade is way too light. I have light beige. Doesn't match me at all. And as you can see from this, it is long gone. So I have no concealers really, and I've none in my collection or anything like that. So that is something I really need to purchase. Anyway, I'm going to go through all these bits and pieces. Look at this lip liner, clearly loved. See what I want to bring and see what I want to put into a different makeup bag. Split it up. So just put the bags side by side. In each of them I'm going to put one of the Sensationals that I got. You would have seen in my last vlog. And then the brush ink pen into each. And then I guess a mascara into each. Because again, I need each of those. And then I don't think I'm going to bother with a foundation yet, because I'll probably like pick out whatever foundation I want on that day. Blush, I'm going to put Honeysuckle into this one and Warm Soul into this one. I need to get a second one of these. These are for around my brows, so I'm just going to put this one in here because I think that's the one I'm going to leave in Paddy's house. I'm just going to bring that one with me. It's a little concealer pomade from L'Oreal Infallible. Golden Medium, Give Me Sun and Light powder, all from MAC. They're all coming with me to his house. And then I'm going to put the Catrice Camouflage in here, the NARS in here. I'll put my duo glue in here because I have duo that I will use. Like I have it in my drawers. That's cream blush, I'll put that in there as well. Good liner, that's the black one. I'll put that in there even though I'm not really sure if I'll use it that much. And then I have a few eyeliner pencils. So I have Teddy, which I'll put in there, and Costa Riche, which I'll put in there. They're both from MAC. And then a Charlotte Tilbury black. Since I have the black Inglot one in there, I'll put the Charlotte Tilbury one in here. Eyebrows. So I'll put the Goop Proof in here, and I'll put the Catrice one in here. And I'll also put the Inglot eyebrow pomade, so I'll put that in there. And I think that's pretty much all. The rest of the stuff I'm going to... Actually, do you know what I'm going to put? Is that Whirl? They're both similar colours, so I'm going to put that one in there and Whirl in here. The rest of the stuff I think I'm just going to put back into storage. Actually, that's tape for my eye. I'll put that in the one that I'm bringing to Paddy's house, because I have one here somewhere as well. I think that's it. That's all I want to do. So I've like halved the amount of products I have, and it's just in a convenient bag. Everything's in there, and then the rest of the stuff I'll just put back into my drawers and just take it as I need it. Lately I've been wearing a lot of the Inglot All Covered foundation, and I've been using these from Too Faced. They're the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealers. They're bloody amazing, but I've been using them just as like all over face products. So I may need to get another one of these, a backup of the colour Sand, because that's the same colour as my base makeup. But other than that, I think I'm all set. Also, I don't think I've ever talked about these lipsticks in a video before. They got sent out to me from Bare Minerals, and they are the most amazing lipsticks ever. The shade that I have here is Balance. They're so creamy. They're so gorgeous on the lips. They're absolutely amazing. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colour. And like I said, it's a real creamy formula, but incredibly long lasting. I don't actually know what they are called. Sorry, Hydro Smoothing Lipsticks, just if you were wondering. But they are amazing. They sent me out all the shades in Pure, and obviously I kept the nude ones, or wear the nude ones, and they're just amazing. So I'm really impressed with the formula of them. Ooh, done and dusted. Everything is packed away, all my makeup. I'm so happy. I got a phone call actually yesterday evening. I forgot to tell you guys this morning. Very exciting news. I got a phone call, and it was from my hairdressers. I know, how exciting. And I was due to get my hair done on the 4th of August, which I was very excited about, very happy about, really cool with that, you know, 4th of August, getting all this herded. And they rang me yesterday, and they were like, I'm just taking these glasses off. They were like, your hairstylist, the girl who does my colour, my cut, everything like that, Becky, they were like, Becky can't do your hair. And I was like, oh my god, no. And they're like, but we might be able to get you an earlier appointment. I was like, no way, no way. So I'm getting my hair done at the end of July on the 30th, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So my nails are going to be done on Tuesday. I know, like, the short nails, I was kind of like getting used to them, and I was fine with them, but the fact that I'm going to have my nails done on Tuesday and my hair done the following week, well, it'll be like a week and a bit, I'm just living for that. Living. And Paddy and I booked Kilkenny. We're going to Kilkenny next week for a few days, and I'm really excited to go to Kilkenny as well, because we had like big plans. We were supposed to be going to the Ziga Festival in Budapest. We're really excited for that. We're supposed to go to Poland. We were thinking of going to Greece as well, like maybe like Mykonos, some of the islands, maybe doing a bit of island hopping. Then we had plans to go to Mexico this year. We had big plans for big holidays, and none of that happened. So then we were thinking of doing the skiing trip maybe in November, but I'm just not sure with COVID and everything like that, so I don't know. I don't think we're getting away anywhere this year, but I'm happy enough to go down the country, and I'm just very happy to spend time in Ireland, because I do love Ireland, and especially when the weather is nice. Ireland is like the nicest country ever. It's my favourite country in the whole entire world. I love it so much. I just wish that the weather was a bit better sometimes. That's the only thing. But I mean, if we get away for a couple of days, we'll just be in a hotel, relaxing, eating, chilling, spending time with each other. Like, who really cares what the weather's like? We'll just figure other things out to do. I'm sure we can figure it out. And I think they've like they have like bicycle trails and stuff in the hotel that we're staying in, so we might try and do some of them if it's not too disgusting and slushy out. And I know like bicycle trails are not really something you just say, let's just go on them, but they're flat bicycle trails. They're not like, it's not like severe mountain biking. Don't worry, I'm not going to be like killing myself off a bike or anything like that. But I'm really looking forward to that, and get my hair done this month. It's just jam-packed with entertainment. I can't wait to have it all done. I really can't. My sister just called over. She's just after leaving. She was over with her boyfriend. It was great to see her. I'm going to pull my car in to the front into the drive, and I'm going to hoover it out, dust it, clean it. It is a hot mess in my car, like it's so bad. So I have my cloths that I think I showed you guys in one of my other videos. Was it a Penny's haul? Something like that. But I got these pack of cloths that are for obviously household stuff, and I'm going to use them for my car. So we've got a glass one, all-purpose one, dust one, floor. Obviously I won't be using that because, hello, I don't have hardwood floors in my car. And then a polish. So we're going to get to use all our lovely cloths and clean out that bad boy of a car because it's seriously disgusting. My mum and dad got new garden furniture. I'm so excited for it. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, can't wait to see this all done up. Ah, she's all clean inside now and it smells lovely. I'm delighted with myself. That didn't take long. So now I'm gonna go and get some dinner. Who's that coming in? Who's that coming in? There he is, it's Chewy. Hi, I love. How are you? How's my boy? How is he today? Doing well? Yeah. Best boy in the world. Oh, another day done. Oh, I'm just lying down. I'm getting ready to hit the hay, obviously. I'm super tired. I finished work around 7 o'clock. I just kind of like dipped in and out of emails and stuff, and that was all that was kind of like left to do. I am so tired. Oh my god, sorry guys. I'm just super tired. I was reading over some comments then because it's like what, like it's 10:30 now. So I was reading over some comments on my vlog I put up yesterday, responding to some of them. A lot of you guys had said that you really like my hair this length and stuff. Obviously I'll be getting like a huge amount of it chopped off when I do go into the hairdressers, but I think that's really nice that you like my natural hair. I do like my natural hair as well. I don't know, I get bored of it. Like, I'm happy with it being short for a little while, but it's been short for so long. I'm kind of like, right, I want a bit of length back in it. And then when I have my extensions in, I'm like, oh, I want it shorter. I just can't make up my mind with the length. And a lot of you guys said that you prefer it darker. I love it dark and everything. Like, it's nice. Like, my natural hair colour is quite dark. My hair used to be like chestnut brown, but I think just from getting colour, like, I don't know what it is, it damaged the pigmentation in my hair or something. I'm not really sure. So anyway, it's really, really dark now, but I'm gonna get a lot of blonde highlights through the front just because it's summertime, and I'm just gonna get them through the front just to lighten the front bits. And I think the rest of it, I'll just get my dark dragged root. So it'll still be really dark, but I'll just be more close to what my natural hair colour is before it went like that colour. I don't know. But I just want to be a bit brighter for summer. I like being bright in the summer. And Paddy texted me, had his first match, like practice match back, which is basically like a 7-a-side. And it went really well, but he said like they need to get a bit fitter. So anyway, that's the only updates I have since the last I was talking to you. But anyway, I hope you guys had a lovely day. Thank you so much for tuning in today's vlog. And I will talk to all of you guys tomorrow. I'm going to vlog all weekend as well, so I can't wait to talk to you guys. I love you. Bye.